मैं डॉक्टर संजोग मेकेवार. I am consultant interventional spine and pain physician and also the director of Jivisha Spine Pain and Regenerative Hospital. So, what is comprehensive management of knee osteoarthritis? तो दोस्तों, जो knee osteoarthritis है, it is a whole joint disease. ये सिर्फ एक नी कार्टिलेज का प्रॉब्लम या नी मेनिस्कस का प्रॉब्लम या कोई साइनोवियल फ्लूइड का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. All the structures which are present in and around the knee joint, they play a role in the development of knee osteoarthritis, and that's why we require a treatment of each and every part of the knee joint. And this treatment involving all the parts of knee joint is called as the comprehensive management of knee osteoarthritis. तो इसमें क्या क्या आता है, तो एक एक करके हम इसके बारे में अभी जानेंगे. तो सबसे पहले there is weakening of some of the structures around the knee joint. And what are these? These are the muscles, and second are your ligaments. Muscles अगर weak है, उनको strong करना है तो हमें क्या लगेगा? We will need some exercises, we will need some physiotherapy for that. So that is the basic concept of physiotherapy in knee joint disease or knee osteoarthritis. जब आप physiotherapy करते हैं, the muscles which surround this knee joint, they become strong, they become good support or stability to the knee joint and thus decrease the progression of the knee joint degeneration. Now what can we do about the weak ligaments? Then there is something called as dextrose prolotherapy. तो दोस्तों, dextrose prolotherapy इस तरीके के इंजेक्शंस होते हैं जो हमारे नी के अराउंड प्रेजेंट लिगामेंट्स में दिए जाते हैं. इन इंजेक्शंस से लगाने से वहां पे एक लोकल इन्फ्लेमेशन होता है which is followed by a process of healing. और इनके repetitive injection से जो ligaments का thickness है वो बढ़ जाता है and it provides a strength or stability to the knee. So the next problem in your knee osteoarthritis is decrease in the quality of your synovial fluid. अब इसके लिए क्या किया जाए? इसके लिए दो चीजें कर सकते हैं. या तो बाहर से एक साइनोवियल फ्लूइड का कंपोनेंट इंजेक्ट किया जाए जिसे हम कहते हैं नी जेल इंजेक्शन और हाइलुरोनिक एसिड इंजेक्शन, या वी कैन डू अ इंजेक्शन ऑफ रीजनरेटिव थेरेपी which will not only decrease the inflammation inside the knee joint but also help in the generation of a better synovial fluid by stimulating the synoviocytes. Now the next problem that is seen in patients of knee osteoarthritis, mainly in the advanced stages of knee osteoarthritis, is your synovitis. That is inflammation of the synovial membrane cells, which is a layer inside the knee joint. Now synovitis और synovial membrane inflammation को कम करने के लिए आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? Either you can do a steroid injection, or you can do a growth factor concentrate injection, or you can also do an injection of ozone gas. So these are the three options which are available to reduce the synovitis. Next is your cartilage damage and the meniscal injuries. अगर मेरे पेशेंट्स के नी MRIs में मुझे cartilage defect दिखता है या meniscal injuries दिखती है, then I prefer to use stem cell injections along with your growth factor concentrated injections, which increases the chances of repair inside the damaged knee tissues. Now the next two the problems which are seen in the patients of knee osteoarthritis are the bone changes. The first one is the bone spur or the osteophytes, and second is the deformity which is seen in the patients of knee osteoarthritis. So अगर ये दो components मेरे patient में present है, plus if the patient is very hefty or obese, then I generally advise them something called as offloading braces. So offloading braces are the braces which are specially created with a technology that offloads your knee. That is, it transfers your weight from the bone which is present above to your bone which is present below and just bypasses the knee joint. अगर आपके knee joint के ऊपर load और weight कम हो जाता है, then it reduces your pain. Secondly, it also reduces the further degradation of your knee joint. And lastly, if there is nerve sensitization which is present in the patient, then I prefer to use what is called as cool radiofrequency ablation, where I target the nerves which supply your knee joint, ablate them and give patient a pain-free period of 6 to 12 months and also reduce the sensitivity of the nerves and thus reduce the intensity of pain in the patients. So comprehensive management of knee osteoarthritis includes all these treatment methods. तो अगर आप knee osteoarthritis से एक effective and long term relief पाना चाहते हैं, then you should follow all these treatment protocols. You should not ask for some shortcuts like a single injection or some basic exercises, because these will only give you a minute relief and that also for a shorter period of time. तो दोस्तों आशा करता हूं आपको इस वीडियो में कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मैनेजमेंट ऑफ नी ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस के बारे में पता चला होगा। इससे रिलेटेड अगर आप और भी कुछ जानना चाहते हैं देन प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें बताइए। वी विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू मेक वीडियोस ऑन दोस टॉपिक्स स्पेसिफिकली। थैंक यू।